Live.
Yeah, it's a live. So so now that it's
Datang. Ahiji.
Because when mama makuso ofana kuto.
Yes, me.
I'm mute. To go safe one.
Ahiti.
Ahira. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you. No, but I'm telling you. Again. Because I don't know, like, you know, the other thing. Alright. Hi guys. It's okay. It's okay. SIS MELLY one is surprise. SIS MELLY one is surprise. It's okay. Hello. I'm now your new cameraman. Muchida Musingade.
Pasingade.
The camera with me when you. Yes, there's a surprise.
Here comes our host.
Hello. Hello. Guys, hello. You can start. SIS MELLY, you can start.
Hi guys, how are you? And thank you, Tawanga.
226. And
Chief, I phone is up for you.
chirungu chacho chinonetsa kaichi. I have to turn the thingy first. Are you in position? Okay, I think I'm good. Sorry, we made it a bit high.
Thank you, Hida. Iprimark.
Is it in position? So what can you sort it out for me? But a good boy.
Hi, Laina.
How come this one is not standing? Yeah. It's falling. You know what? Let me just hold this.
You are going to be the cameraman. Atina choice.
Yeah, let me just hold this. Because
Hello guys. How good afternoon, guys. Pachipamwe right. Ndangani chikudzai zve accent ya chirega uchizvihwira accent ya.
sorry guys, technology.
So guys, I was telling you about accent. Chirega munzo accent guys. Madayari zangu akanaka. We are still together. With me today here, I have Tawana. Tawana is a 14-year-old boy. Wantina Ipano. I just want Tawana to speak to us, guys. He's gonna speak to us today, and we are going to ask him some questions, and he's going to showcase his talent, guys. You can actually see with Mazimbo any talent, guys. Varivana. He's only 14. By law, I'm not supposed to put him on live, yeah? But we are putting him on live because this guy he's got a talent. He's got something that he has to show you, and you cannot see it without a camera, right? Welcome, buddy. Tell them your name and your surname.
My name is Tawana McGrath and I'm from Darwin, England.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 14.
14. Do you still go to school?
Yeah, of course I go to school.
What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 10 over here in England.
Grade 10.
Year 10.
Grade 10, Chimaita.
Year 10, it's about Form 2.
Okay, Form 2. Right. Tawana, you are in Form 2 and already you have sing songs that you have sang. You're an artist, or should I say you want to become an artist. What is motivating you? What has inspired you to become an artist?
Motivation I get from family at home and friends and people just being honest, telling me about if I am good or if I'm just honesty.
Okay. So what type of music do you sing?
I sing, I like to rap, and I sing some classical, like some John Legend, like Bill Withers. Yeah, stuff like that.
Okay. So I heard that there is a competition that you went, right? You qualified for it. When was it?
This was the end of last year, so end of 2022.
Okay.
They're saying speak louder, Tawa.
This is the end of last year in 2022, that was.
Okay. So when you went there, did you win or did you get any position there?
I got to the finals and we all got the same prize, so basically we all won.
Oh, you all won. Okay.
Yeah,
so it was about singing, it was about showcasing your talents.
Yeah.
Only singing.
Singing and rapping. I rapped as well too.
Okay, right. I want you to be confident enough. Just don't forget about people, don't forget about the camera. Just forget about the camera, forget about, whatever, forget about me, right? Can you please give us one of your best songs? Can you just, yes, don't laugh. Yeah?
One of my best songs.
Yes, we want you to give us one of your best songs. Sing for us. We know that it's not a recording studio. There are no those things that, polish up the voice, but we want to hear the words and the lyrics and the song.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you a song from...
Yeah.
I'll give you the same one I sang on The Voice.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Let's get Huyai.
Tawana was on The Voice, guys. He was on The Voice, so he's going to give you one of the songs from The Voice that he sang on The Voice. Okay.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
Wow.
This house just ain't home anytime she goes away. Yeah, that's it.
There's just one line. Tawana, was it just one line? Was it one line? You can't.
Yeah, I'm on vocal rest.
Okay, let's go to the rapping. Let's go to one of the rapping songs.
Okay, then.
Forget about anyway, we heard the voice. You got an absolutely good voice. Anyway, let's go to the rapping part.
Okay.
You don't need a voice there. You can just rap.
Okay. Listen.
Yeah.
Said, really trying to make this cash. Telling me cool down, but I'm on fire like ash. Y'all need some water for my energy. And even if they don't turn, I know you'll still remember me. It's T, really trying to make a change. Trying to make it in the game. I don't care about the money or the fame. I'm just trying to feed the family in hopes of staying sane, bro. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, Mukeyo my love, guys. Can you please give him some love, guys? This
There's
is just
so many loves and likes.
Only 14-year-old boy, only 14-year-old child already who's trying to break in the music industry. So, Tawana, I understand that you've got a Facebook page, right? Or is it an Instagram page or a Facebook page?
Yeah, you can find me at Tawana Music.
Tawana Music.
On Instagram, you can find me at Tawana Music on TikTok. And my YouTube channel is at Tawana Music. Everything Tawana Music.
Tawana Music. So on Facebook also it's Tawana Music.
Tawana McGrath on Facebook.
Tawana McGrath. All right, guys. Please nditrewo favor vedu ngati kudzai page remwana uyu. Pane patag yandanyora pamusoro pane star kanzi Tawana McGrath. Just go there, click on that name and press a follow. And let's support our upcoming children, our upcoming artists, guys. Most that guys at 14, it's very hard to go talent and things like that. But here he is, guys, and they teach them when they are still young. And Dokumbiro right now, as we are still here, can you please just go? I'm just giving you 5 minutes, guys. Let's just go click on that monobaya and you've got a kid at home. You know your kid can sing, right? Nurture that talent, guys. Musa stop it. Don't stop your kids. Musa stop it whenever you let them be who they want to be. If they are into music, let them sing. If they are into dancing, let them dance. If they can survive with those kind of things. Now we've got Cora Obid there in America. She twerks and she's making money out of twerking. And it's for real, right? We've got a 14-year-old boy, ne? Justin Bieber, when he started, how old was he? Do you still remember?
Like 12.
12?
Yeah, 14.
12, I think less than 14, 12 maybe, 12. Achitanga Justin Bieber. Like Mukonati Beyonce already, the Ivy Blue is already on the stage.
Yeah.
She's already on the stage. So guys, let's support her. Manya, guys, just go manya and click and like the page. Go and follow the page. At least how many followers did you have before?
I can't remember. I can't remember. I can't remember. We're gonna have to ask Mark.
Okay, now they're going to go and follow your page. What are you going to give them on your page?
We're gonna give them some more music. That's what we're gonna give them. We're gonna give them some more music.
Are you gonna sing and post on
Yes,
YouTube?
Yes.
Because if you keep on, you know what, how YouTube works, Facebook works, and if you want to grow, you keep on pushing your content, keep on, posting your content each and every time you got a song, just post it, you eventually, they'll start, getting used to it. They also start taking other friends of theirs
my new
and the
song's coming
pages.
out tomorrow as well.
You got a new song that is coming out tomorrow?
My new song is coming out tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you give us a little bit of your new songs? Just a bit.
Yeah, just
I think that was a hard one to do. I think they'll have to wait till tomorrow for that one.
Is it the one called...
From the Place, yeah.
From the Place.
Wow. So, are we going to hear it tomorrow then?
Yeah, there's a preview up on my social media right now.
Okay.
You can probably find that on Facebook, Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, Tawana Music.
So, have you recorded already, or you're just singing for now?
Yeah, I've recorded some music in the studio. That's what's gonna come out tomorrow.
Okay. With no videos, just music.
The visuals as well, video.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
Coming out tomorrow.
Wow. So how is your mom, or how are your parents supporting your talent? Are they supporting it?
Yeah, of course. My mom is my world, so she just, whenever there's an opportunity with music, she'd be the first one there.
Oh wow, that's brilliant, guys. You hear? Tina mai pana para support talent ndemwa nawo zvakaipa. And that's my mom is my world. Wow, I like that. And she imi madharis makantarisa vana venyu vanotaura here kuti imi muri kana kuti mawane kurova mambama vana venyuko vanotaura here kuti you are their world. Vanotaura here kuti you are their world. Let's support guys vana vedu. And can you please quickly rush tinokudza page remwana? And please don't forget us anytime you get a new song. Even if we are not here, we are in Africa. Just it's just a phone. Just get in touch with me to say, Auntie, I've got a new album coming out. And we will bring you back again on live. We hear again the song, and then we start playing it. Now the thing is, with us playing your music over and over again, it's a good way of marketing. But you are putting copyrights on that. So when we play, we are being stricken by copyrights to say you are playing music for Tawana. You want blah blah blah. Whatever I'm supposed to get now, it's coming to you. That's the only problem that is there. But we don't have a problem anyway playing it on TikTok and YouTube. We can, but Facebook straight away they'll give us a ban straight away. So, but I'm so happy, boy, and we are going to support you. Definitely, we are going to support you. You got a great talent. 14 years, it's hard, but keep it up, boy. Do you have any questions, guys, that you want to ask him? Can you please bring the questions so that we can ask him?
Tawana, like that we've got a ball on Saturday. Are you willing to give us a piece on Saturday if we invite you?
I think so. I think.
But remember, you'll be in front of more than 250 people.
Yeah, that's fine. That's
good.
Fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, because we want to try and take away that stage fright. We want to try and build the confidence in you, the stage in you. You understand? So this is how you start.
Yeah.
This is how you start. Right, there is, guys, all those who are going to be on the ball Muswa Saturday, you are definitely going to see the young boy there. The young man is going to be there performing Achitipo, whatever that he has. This is my upcoming guys, artists. Do what no sumuza. Ipa papa uchona kuna mwanengo chimba ku UK, vakaona bo, but instead de kuti vawe vatindo kumbura multiple chance timbe, hapana. Makuona ta kusumudza vanenge vauya havo, tisumudzeyo, moti kwa vanenge makavasumudza. Ukaona tichita function, une talent. Manya ndiye kuzoimba mahara ipapo kuzvimaketa, you'll be putting yourself out on the map, right? Unongoshoendera mberi, unongoshoendera kutokura ndomakurira atinoita. So do we have any other questions?
They are just congratulating you, and they're saying they are going to your page to follow you, and they're saying you've got a very good voice. Are children allowed kubo? He is an artist. He's coming for just that performance if he is coming, and then he goes home. So ndakupindurai.
He's an artist, remember?
He's an artist, so it's different. Tell us the name of the page again, Tawa. Tell us
the name of the page is Tawana Music, or either on Facebook it is Tawana McGrath.
The one that is written on top of the caption is just click there. It will take you straight to his page. the name that I wrote on top on the caption, they just click it and then it will take you straight to the page. Then you can just go and like the page.
People are still asking Ronzi chi page racho mauds what Tawana music or Tawana Macbeth. So you go on there.
Tawana
McGrath. So you go there and you check and click my love, my likes. Click my love, my likes. Yes. And we wrote for you, Tawana. You're a star. You're doing well. Bangwaruti Dan. Bangwaruti my love, my likes. Yeah, I think they are following.
Just go and follow him, guys. Thank you very much, Tawana. We hope to hear the song again tomorrow, the new song, the upcoming song, and hope to see you on Saturday again. When you see you performing for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tawana. Thank you, SIS MELLY.